Big win, bigger loss. Back to zero. That is unstructured risk. If your equity curve spikes and then plunges, you need a system, not more guessing. What if your charts could do this? No more wondering where to enter, where to exit, or how much to risk. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a seasoned trader, welcome back. Today, we arm you with an AI trading indicator suite that turns your chart into a coach. It overlays trend, maps support and resistance, and shows clear buy and sell prompts with 24/7 alerts on TradingView. Let's start with VIP Market Scanner. The scanner shows current market conditions and price levels with direction and color-coded zones for logical stops and targets. Here, the daily chart is in an uptrend. The market scanner confirms the overall bias is bullish and highlights a key support level. Now zoom into the London session. A pullback to this support is expected. Buy signals will print once price enters the zone. And sure enough, here's the buy signal. Alerts can be set to ping when price enters these zones. Execute when conditions confirm. What about volatility? Enter cloud band signals. It adapts to pullbacks and volatility with clean buy and sell prompts. Here, the weekly chart shows a clear uptrend. On the hourly chart, there's more range. Cloud bands provide tighter volatility bands as the hours progress, signaling a narrowing range. When it comes to entries, look for cloud band prompts near structure for increased edge. This includes support, resistance, swing lows, and swing highs. Wait for the hourly cloud band to cross above the zero line for a confirmed entry signal. Once executed, alerts ping each band level, so the setup is complete. Here, the cloud bands show volatility contracting. An entry prompt prints. Stops can be set behind the previous low for a 1 to 2 risk reward. Here, trailing can be considered behind the cloud bands for an improved risk profile. For more volatility, expand the bands. For less volatility, contract the bands. Market prediction gives you advanced insight by sketching potential paths so you prepare, not react. It combines trend direction and volatility contraction to illustrate potential scenarios. Look for these paths near structure for increased edge, then wait for an entry signal. Let's add another dimension. Higher time frame bias with lower time frame timing. Enter Trend Navigator with the VIP Oscillator. The VIP Oscillator is like a metronome, keeping time with the higher time frame trend. Its period is set to the length of the higher time frame. So on the daily time frame, it has a different pulse than the lower time frame. To use this, select a higher time frame to establish the trend and a lower time frame to trigger the entry. First, identify the trend direction on the higher time frame. Is the trend up or down? Then switch to the lower time frame. Enter when the VIP oscillator crosses its center line and the short-term trend is aligned with the higher time frame direction. So on the 4-hour chart, the trend is up. Price pulls back into auto map support. A buy prompt prints. Stop under the swing. Targets at 1R, 2R, 3R alerts ping. Each level, that is structure, not luck. To recap, we have 5 powerful tools. VIP Market Scanner for overall market direction and key levels. Cloud band signals for trend following with volatility. Market prediction to sketch potential scenarios. Trend Navigator with VIP Oscillator to align. Higher time frame bias with lower time frame timing and support and resistance matrix which auto maps the levels price respects. All 5 are part of the AI Trading Indicator Suite. They work together, but you can pick and choose based on your style. So now you have structure, trend, level, signal. Follow these steps. First, check the trend. Is it up or down? Check the level. Is price at a key level like support or resistance? Check the signal. Does the entry signal confirm? If all 3 align, I act. If one is missing, I skip. Confirm on bar close, not mid-candle noise. Take the trade. No alerts. If you want to execute on alerts, set your zone alerts and let the chart call you. Execute on bar close. Don't chase. This workflow reduces overtrading. It filters out mid-range chop. It stabilizes exits by using the same level for all exits. It keeps entries aligned with the higher time frame. It's a complete system. From alerts to execution. Want cleaner execution and fewer impulses? Access the link in the description below. Next, install indicators, set zone alerts, and run the risk template. Lastly, journal every trade and reflect. Remember, this is educational only. Test first. Results vary. See you next time.